Hi, I'm June with the North Carolina Transportation Museum, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Memorial Day flag. Let's get started. So the items you are going to need for your American flag craft are tissue paper. I have red, white, and blue tissue paper here, cut in about 1-inch squares. It doesn't have to be exact. A yellow marker, glue stick, and you're going to need a piece of paper with the American flag either printed or drawn on it. So I've colored in all of my stars, and now I'm going to start with the tissue paper. You're going to take your tissue paper and kind of crinkle it up like that and just put a little dab of glue on it. And you're just going to keep going. You're just going to go red, white, and blue, and you're just going to keep repeating. Like that, and then we'll go red. So we're halfway through here. We've gone red, white, red, white, red, white. So we'll do these last two rows. And we've added the blue around the stars. So we'll see you back here in a minute. I hope you enjoyed your craft. Happy Memorial Day. We'll see you next time.
Continue to learn at home with other great videos from the North Carolina Transportation Museum on Facebook, YouTube, and nctrans.org. The North Carolina Transportation Museum in Spencer is the museum that moves you.